In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the message that comes on when you start your Jeep Wrangler that says you need to change your oil soon. Here's what the message looks like. So after it starts up, there it is. Change oil. So that's the message we want to get rid of. Whether you've changed your oil yourself or you took it somewhere and they didn't reset that, this is what you need to do. You put your key in the ignition and turn it on, but don't start the Jeep. So that's there, those lights will come on, and within 10 seconds, you press the accelerator 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Turn it back off. Okay, now we should be able to turn it back on again and the message should be gone. Give it a chance to go through its process. And the message is gone. So that's it. Easy as that. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.